Plasma keyboards are booming among gamers and typists for their comfort and precision. The same trend is happening with laptop stands for beds. With more people working, studying, or binge-watching from bed, these stands provide essential ergonomic support. This guide evaluates adjustability, portability, material quality, laptop size compatibility, and value to help you find the best laptop stand for bed-based comfort and productivity. Wisnup SAIJI Height Angle Adjustable Laptop Stand for Bed. The SAIJI Adjustable Laptop Stand is a versatile solution for working or streaming from bed. Featuring multiple height and angle settings, this stand can be tailored to your comfort, whether you're lying down or sitting upright. It supports laptops up to 17 inches and is made from lightweight yet durable plastic with aluminum legs. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or carry, while the anti-slip guard prevents devices from sliding. List 2. SAIJI Leather Lap Desk Laptop Bed Tray Table. The SAIJI Leather Lap Desk adds a touch of luxury to your bed workspace. With its PU leather surface, it looks sleek and is easy to clean. The adjustable legs and tilt angles offer ergonomic support, helping reduce neck and back strain. It's ideal for laptops up to 17 inches and even has extra space for a mouse or tablet. Despite its larger working area, it remains lightweight and foldable.
Listtop SAIJI Laptop Lap Desk fits up to 17-inch laptops designed with maximum compatibility and portability in mind. The SAIJI Laptop Lap Desk is great for users who need an efficient surface that doesn't take up much space. Its minimalist design is lightweight and slim, but strong enough to support laptops up to 17 inches. The non-slit pad, tablet slot, and wrist rest show that it's built for comfort and functionality. Listtop Adjustable Laptop Desk for Bed. Bed table for laptops. This adjustable laptop desk for bed is a budget-friendly choice with solid ergonomics. Its height and tilt angle can be customized, making it suitable for typing, reading, or eating. The foldable legs and lightweight plastic construction make it easy to slide under the bed or store in a corner. It fits most laptops and comes with an anti-slip ledge to keep your device in place, while it lacks premium materials. List number: Amazon Basics Adjustable Tray Table Lap Desk. The Amazon Basics Tray Table Lap Desk offers exceptional size and comfort at an accessible price point. It fits laptops up to 17 inches and features a spacious 13 by 24-inch surface, making it ideal for multitaskers. Whether you're using a laptop, writing, or eating, the large surface area accommodates everything with ease. The fixed height and minimal design don't offer angle customization,